Increasing testosterone could benefit you in so many ways, including your sexual health especially. In this video, I'm gonna give you 6 tips how to increase your testosterone level naturally without any medication. These techniques are relatively simple, affordable, and safe to do. My hope is that by the end of this video, you can better understand how to improve low testosterone levels, especially for men experiencing symptoms such as fatigue, low energy, low libido, difficulty achieving erections, and decreased overall vitality. I want you guys to have good testosterone levels so that you feel stronger and more energetic again. Hello, I am Dr. Jeffrey Albari Tribowo, an andrology specialist and male reproductive health expert based in Indonesia. Okay, are you ready? So here are 6 natural ways to increase testosterone levels without medication. The first tip is performing the right type of exercise. Many people exercise regularly, but not all forms of exercise are equally effective to increase testosterone. There are actually specific exercise principles and techniques that can help you to optimize testosterone production. From my experience, I often meet some men who have low testosterone telling me, "Doctor, I already exercise 2 or 3 times a week. Why are my testosterone levels still low?" After discussing their routines further, I often discover that they are not doing the type of exercise proven to increase their testosterone effectively. In general, 2 important things determine whether exercise help testosterone levels: the type of exercise and the intensity of the workout. One of the best form of exercise for increasing testosterone is resistance training. Resistance training refers to exercise that builds strength by training various muscle groups in the body. The simplest example is weight training at the gym, where various machines and equipment are used to strengthen muscles. However, resistance training doesn't necessarily require a gym. So if you don't have a time to gym, you can still do it at your home. You can perform strength exercise using your own body weight with push-ups, sit-ups, squats, planks, and pull-ups. You should train both your upper and lower body consistently. Resistance training should ideally be performed regularly, approximately 2 to 3 times per week. Research shows that resistance training increases testosterone levels immediately after exercise, and these benefits also continue long-term. This is why many men notice an increase in energy, motivation, and libido after strength training sessions. Testosterone levels rise following exercise, which contribute to improved vitality and sexual functions. In addition to resistance training, another effective exercise method for boosting testosterone is HIIT, which stands for High Intensity Interval Training. So, HIIT involves performing high-intensity cardio exercise with specific intervals of intense effort followed by short rest periods. For example, running intensely for a short duration and then resting briefly before repeating the cycle multiple times. A study once compared 2 groups to evaluate which exercise method increased testosterone more effectively. The first group performed treadmill sprints at high intensity for 90 seconds, followed by 90 seconds of rest, while the second group performed moderate intensity, steady-state cardio continuously. Both groups exercised for 45 minutes. The results showed that HIIT group experienced significantly higher testosterone levels compared to the moderate intensity cardio group. This demonstrates that 2 important types of exercise for maintaining healthy testosterone levels are resistance training and HIIT. Ideally, both should be performed consistently and regularly. Okay, now we go on for the second tip. The second tip is maintaining good sleep quality. Sleep is a simple activity that we all do every day, yet it plays a critical role in optimizing testosterone production. During sleep, the body produces testosterone in large amounts, particularly during deep sleep stage. However, there are specific techniques that you need to follow to ensure sleep quality, because it is truly optimal for your hormone production. Many men sleep incorrectly and therefore fail to experience improvement in their testosterone levels. First, it is important to understand that testosterone is produced most effectively during deep sleep stage. The problem is that deep sleep doesn't occur in large amounts if sleep duration is too short. Deep sleeps become more significant only when sleep duration is sufficient. This is one of the most common issues today actually. Nearly 35% of people experience inadequate sleep durations, which prevents optimal testosterone production. For adults over the age of 18, the recommended sleep duration for maintaining healthy testosterone levels is approximately 7 to 9 hours per night. Many people think they sleep enough because they accumulate sleep in segments. For example, they sleep only 5 hours at night and then take a 2-hour nap during the day, totaling 7 hours. Technically, the duration adds up, but the benefits are not the same. The best sleep quality occurs when the full 7 to 9 hours are obtained continuously during one nighttime sleep cycle without interruptions. For example, if you sleep at 11 p.m., it is recommended to wake up around 6 or 7 a.m. Why is this important? Because fragmented sleep reduces the amount of deep sleep the body receives. The final hours of sleep are actually when the deepest and most restorative sleep stages occur. If someone only sleeps for 5 hours each night, they miss a significant portion of deep sleep. This also explains why healthy men often experience morning erections. Morning erections occur partly because testosterone production increases during sleep, especially when sleep duration is sufficient. The better the sleep quality, the higher testosterone levels tend to be, resulting in stronger morning erections. But what happens when someone consistently sleeps too little over a long time period of time? Testosterone levels gradually decline. Chronic sleep deprivations may contribute to faster testicular shrinkage in men. As testicular size and function decline, testosterone levels also decrease, eventually leading to symptoms associated with low testosterone. To maintain high sleep quality, it is recommended to sleep in a dark room with the lights turned off. Sleeping in a bright environment can suppress melatonin production, which negatively affects sleep quality. Melatonin is a powerful antioxidant hormone that contributes significantly to overall health. In addition, try not to reverse your sleep schedule by sleeping during the day and staying awake at night. Although the duration may still total 7 hours, reverse sleep patterns disrupt the body's natural hormonal rhythm. The healthiest sleep occurs when we maintain a normal nighttime sleep schedule. Ideally, avoid staying awake past midnight regularly. Now the third tips. The third tip is consuming food that support testosterone production. Testosterone is produced in the testicles, and one of the main raw materials used to produce testosterone is cholesterol. This is why studies shows that men following extremely low-fat diets may experience faster declines in testosterone levels because insufficient cholesterol is available for hormone productions. However, this doesn't mean we should consume excessive cholesterol. High cholesterol levels can still be harmful to overall health. The key principle is maintaining cholesterol within healthy range. Ideally, good cholesterol, known as HDL, should be higher, while bad cholesterol, known as LDL, should remain low. HDL and LDL levels can easily be checked through laboratory testing. Triglycerides, which are fat circulating in the blood, should also remain low because excessively high triglyceride levels can negatively affect health. To help maintain stable and healthy testosterone levels, it is recommended to consume nutrient-rich foods high in healthy fats and antioxidants. Fresh foods are ideal. Men should increase consumption of fish, red meat such as beef or goat meat, chicken, seafood, and eggs. Fruit and foods beneficial for testosterone include avocados, berries, and dark chocolate with low sugar content. Green vegetables such as spinach, bok choy, kale, and broccoli are also beneficial for hormonal health. On the other hand, processed and preserved foods should be minimized and avoided, including packaged snacks, frozen foods, excessive alcohol, sugary drinks, and smoking. All of these can negatively impact testosterone levels. In addition to food choice, another important factor involves the utensil we use while eating and drinking. Plastic utensils and containers may contain chemicals such as BPA and phthalate, especially if exposed to excessive heat or poor storage conditions. This substance can enter the body and interfere with hormonal functions. Similarly, repeatedly using plastic bottles, particularly under hot conditions, may increase exposure to microplastics. BPA and phthalate are known as endocrine disruptors, meaning they interfere with the body's hormone system. Therefore, it is safer to use glass or food-grade certified materials whenever possible. Okay, now for the fourth tip. The fourth tip is maintaining a healthy body weight. In people with obesity, testosterone cannot function optimally because excess body fat increases the activity of an enzyme called aromatase. Aromatase converts testosterone into estradiol, which is a female hormone. Testosterone is the primary male hormone, whereas estradiol is associated more closely with female hormonal functions. One of the easiest ways to assess whether body weight is healthy is by measuring waist circumference. Simply wrap a measuring tape around the waist near the navel area and measure while exhaling normally. Ideally, healthy men should have a waist circumference below 94 cm. If the waist circumference exceeds 94 cm, it indicates excessive abdominal fat and a higher health risk. The larger the waist circumference becomes, the worse the impact on health and testosterone levels. Okay, before continuing to the next point, I would appreciate if you click the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you will not miss future videos related to testosterone and men's health education. Your support also help motivate me to continue creating educational content. Now for the next tip. The fifth tip is stress management. Every person experiences stress in daily life, whether at home or at work. Stress cannot be completely avoided, but the important thing is learning how to manage it properly. There is healthy stress and unhealthy stress. Healthy stress motivates us to solve problems and become more productive and energized. Unhealthy stress occurs when problems are repeatedly overthought, causing chronic anxiety, fear, and emotional pressure. This type of stress has serious negative effects on health. When men experience chronic unhealthy stress, the body releases hormones such as cortisol and prolactin. Elevated cortisol and prolactin levels suppress testosterone production. This is why men under prolonged stress often experience declining testosterone levels and sexual dysfunctions. Therefore, when facing stress, it is important to confront problems directly instead of endlessly overthinking them. Try to find practical solutions. Additionally, suppressing emotions continuously is unhealthy. Building healthy communication with trusted friends or partners can help release negative emotions. If stress becomes severe, consider consulting trained healthcare professionals such as psychologists. Counseling can help improve stress management and provide strategies for overcoming difficulties. Okay, now we go on to the sixth and final tip, is exposure to sunlight. At first glance, sunlight may not seem related to testosterone at all, but there is actually an indirect relationship between sunlight exposure and testosterone levels in men. Sunlight stimulates the body to produce vitamin D, and healthy vitamin D levels play an important role in testosterone productions and sexual functions. Vitamin D acts directly within the testicle and support reproductive health. Unfortunately, studies shows that nearly 33% of people have low vitamin D levels, largely because modern lifestyle keep people indoors most of the time. Many people leave for work in the morning and return home in the evening without sufficient sunlight exposure. Even individuals who work outdoors may still have low vitamin D levels because they are exposed at the wrong times or wear clothing that block sunlight. To optimize vitamin D production, sunlight exposure must be done correctly. Sunlight contains UVA, UVB, and UVC rays. UVB rays are responsible for stimulating vitamin D productions, and UVB exposure is strongest between approximately 10 a.m. and early afternoon. The required duration of sun exposure varies depending on the skin tone. In general, darker skin require longer exposure compared to lighter skin. On average, men are advised to receive approximately 5 to 15 minutes of direct sunlight exposure with as much skin exposed as possible. Thick clothing and glass window reduce UVB absorption. Ideally, sunlight exposure should be performed regularly, about 2 to 3 times per week. However, I understand that many people find it difficult to sunbathe regularly, especially during work hours. This is why vitamin D supplementation might sometimes be necessary. Before taking supplements, it is important to measure vitamin D levels through laboratory testing. Vitamin D levels can be measured accurately, allowing doctors to determine the appropriate dosage needed to achieve healthy vitamin D levels safely. Okay, those are the 6 natural ways to increase testosterone levels. Now, I would like to discuss one additional important topic, testosterone replacement therapy. In many cases, testosterone therapy may not be necessary if healthy lifestyle habits have already been maintained consistently from a young age into older adulthood. However, if testosterone levels are already severely low, the 6 strategies discussed earlier should still be attempted first. If symptoms persist and laboratory testing confirms low testosterone levels, testosterone replacement therapy may become necessary. Many people ask whether testosterone therapy is safe. In principle, Any therapy can be safe if performed correctly, monitored regularly, and supervised by trained doctors such as andrology specialists. I frequently prescribe testosterone therapy for patients with low testosterone and symptoms of sexual dysfunction. However, I always encourage patients to improve their lifestyle habits alongside hormone therapy. Study shows that men who combine testosterone therapy with healthy lifestyle change tends to experience significantly better improvements compared to those who rely solely on medication without improving their lifestyle. In fact, some patients improve so much that the dosage of testosterone therapy can gradually be reduced over time.